Good evening, students. I wanted to talk to you briefly about your strategic analysis or situational analysis paper that you should be working on with your group. And I just want to briefly describe it and explain some of the nuances. This assignment is just a paper, right, not a presentation, so you'll need to get with your group members and work on these elements. If you look in your syllabus, the situational analysis is actually section 3. And all of the elements are outlined there, but I wanted to give you another type of description just to help you. All right, one of the first things we're going to talk about is who is the company's target market, all right? Who are the customers they're trying to attract? Who are they most attractive to? All right, and here students typically have a hard time because in many cases this may not be articulated in the company's different statements or information about the company. It is okay for you to use your knowledge as a consumer to relay who the target audience is in this assignment. You probably have a good idea already. You want to talk about the 4 Ps when you lay out what is their present strategy, how are they trying to attract customers. You'll get a good sense of this when you do a SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And just a small note, strengths and weaknesses are internal to the company. They are strengths that the company has or weaknesses that they could actually control. All right. On the flip side, opportunities and threats are external to the company, meaning these are things the firm has no control over, but they must strategize for if they want to be successful. And then finally, you could also include what we call a positioning statement, which is detailed in your textbook. But basically, the idea is what makes your company better than the competition? What sets them apart? Is their product cheaper? Is it of higher quality? Do they have better advertising campaign? Kind of what is it that makes them special? Again, this is one of the things that we typically know as consumers, but we have a hard time articulating, so you'll need to spend some time on that. Please be sure to reference all of the material that you take from other sources. This is critical, and I look forward to your group submission. If you have any further questions, please feel free to email me.